What's up, guys? I'm on my way towards Hockenheimring. There's a private track day today, hosted by a Swiss company, so mostly Swiss cars there. I'm hoping for some supercars. I saw that there are some Porsches, and I heard that there are also some old Formula 1 cars, or not sure if it's Formula 1 or some Formula cars in general. But yeah, they kindly gave me access to the track day, so I'm gonna enter it and take some shots and some videos. So let's see what we'll find. Just arrived at the track, so let's see what we can find. Let's start with the parking lot area. Got this beautiful GT3 RS. Also this McLaren MC12. Something's with the window. I don't know if it doesn't shut properly, but they taped it. And over here we have an old Ferrari. Not sure which model it is. 992 GT3 RS with those red rims. Looks stunning in my opinion. You can see that in the grid they have some more cars, but I will get back to that later. We got this BMW, another Porsche GT3 RS. It's a 996, I think. We got this 992. Over here we have the GT3 Touring. In the back you can see a 992 GT3. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, casually chilling. And a GT3 RS. And not sure what this is, but it looks stunning. I went through to the grid area, found this 488 GTB 812 Superfast. So let's check out the grid area with some proper track cars, like this Porsche over here. Some type of 458 Cup car. Another Ferrari, Corvette over there. Another Corvette. GT4 RS, F430 Scuderia, Mustang GT500, some more Porsches, and even some more Porsches. Another GT3 RS, the first gen Audi R8, and another Corvette. Another garage full of Porsche. This one's pretty sick back there. Got this GT4, GT3 RS, and GT4 RS in the back. Here are some former Formula 1 cars. Pretty sick to see those now. This is also pretty dope. 458 GT3 Cup car, I guess. MC12 Corsa. And over there is another one. Back where I started at, heard some engine startups, so I guess they're gonna drive out now. So I'm gonna switch to the GoPro and take you with me, capturing those cars driving. Another successful day at the track. Time to head home. On my way home now. The day was pretty cool. Found some supercars, even some track-only cars like the Maserati MC12 Corsa, which unfortunately didn't go on the track. But we even saw some Formula 1 cars. I think it's Formula 1. And those were insanely loud. Took a lot of pictures today. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of video. Subscribe and let me know what you want to see more of in future videos. Should I include more pictures I took or less pictures and only video? So yeah, let me know and see you next time.